Imagine yourself in this 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 6-liter V8 engine, air conditioning, bed length, 97.6, clock, in-radio display, cruise control, daytime running lights, dusk sensing headlights and engine hour meter. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.